Hello and welcome to Woodwork for Beginners. This week's show we're going to be building a beautiful little birdhouse. So first off we need some wood, don't we? Now if you're like me, you don't like buying new. I like to salvage what I can from local community. Now my neighbours left some unwanted wood right here in the middle of the garden for me. Now that you've got your wood, we'll need to repurpose it and get it ready for its new build. Now, most people, when they're measuring up wood, they'll use a tape measure to mark the wood at equal lengths. But when you've been doing it as long as I have, you can do it by eye. Now that we've cut our wood, we're going to want to paint it. Now I'm going to go for a nice bright white tone. And it's also important to lay wood out nicely on a piece of newspaper because you don't want to mess your shed up. There'll always be time for a nice cup of tea while you're waiting for paint to dry. Now, it's all beginning to take shape. Now, you may have noticed that I've left a few stray nails here and there, but I'm not worried because I thought, well, they're like little extra perches for birds to sit on.